Okay, moving on to the national blueprint for good design, which has been introduced in 2021, the National Model Design Code, and just considering that in a bit more detail. Again, as I said, introduced in July 2021, and it expands on the 10 characteristics of good design, which are set out in the National Design Guide. And it provides detailed guidance on how to formulate design codes, which set out the requirements for the physical development of an area, and also design guides which advise developers on good design practice. Well, a major barrier, potential barrier, is the increased use of permitted development rights to deliver housing. One of the mechanisms that government has used to address the housing crisis and to get housing delivered quickly is to rely on permitted development rights to allow changes of use from alternative uses to residential. Okay, moving on to how the new approach to design and beauty is manifesting itself in terms of decisions. I'll look at some early sort of significant decisions that have reflected the impact of the new policy requirements. First of those is the appeal decision at the former West Ferry Printworks on West Ferry Road, London. This was a very controversial scheme, and it was a scheme that was approved by Robert Jenrick back at the beginning of 2020 in the face of a recommendation from an inspector to refuse the development. That permission was quashed in the High Court, and the proposals were revised and went back to inquiry.